I am Sanjana, DT mentor for the second year cohort students. So today I'm here to present a topic on a very important topic, we could say, beyond academics, engineering skill growth. Okay, so many students believe that getting good marks alone is enough to build a successful career. But today's industry expects much more than academic excellence. The companies are looking for a graduate who can communicate well, who solve problems, who have that ability to continuously learn new technologies. So, in this presentation, let's understand why developing skills beyond academics has become essential for any engineering student. Okay. So, what I could tell is current industry expectation is what we need to know first. So, only when we know what an industry needs, we can apply them to it. So, the company expecting from engineering graduates have totally it's been different now than previous era when where we did our engineering. So, employees are definitely interested in technical knowledge, but that's not the only important part in the picture. They also expect the students to communicate their ideas clearly, work effectively with others, solve practical problems, and adapt for changing the technologies. For example, a software company doesn't only look for someone who knows programming. They also want someone who can communicate, who can collaborate with teams, and explain solutions confidently. Similarly, manufacturing industries they have a different ideas. They need graduates who can manage the products, take responsibility, and work with different departments. So that is also required, not just the technical part. So today, employers focus on the complete personality of a candidate rather than just academic marks. Academics alone is not sufficient. That is an important point. Now the question can be, why are academicians are looking for even more and not just the marks? The answer is very simple. Because the engineering gives us theoretical knowledge. Expect us to apply that knowledge. What the company is looking for is expect is us to apply that knowledge in the real life situations. So I imagine two students with almost the same CGPA. Let's consider same way like that. The one student has only academic knowledge, but the other student has completed internships, participated in workshops, he has an handful leadership responsibility, he has done a lot of hackathons. Whom do you think will get selected first? Think of it. Most companies will definitely choose the second student because they already have the practical exposure. So this is what every companies are looking for, not just the theory what they have learned in their 4 years of engineering. So marks may help us get an interview, but our skills are the one which helps us to get a job. So what are the top skills to develop? What do you think are the skills we need to develop ourselves? So now let's look at some important skills every engineering student should develop. Okay. So the first one is obviously the communication skills. Though we would say communication is not the primary part, but I think every student need to have some good kind of communication to at least to speak to your boss or speak to your teammates or to the persons who come from another cities or countries. Okay. So whether you're presenting a project, writing reports, or even attending interviews, a good communication creates definitely creates a strong impression, and we have no doubt about it. The second skill would be the problem solving. So the engineers, the word engineers are expected to identify the problem and not just identifying, but also find effective solutions rather than simply following the instructions. So the third skill would be teamwork. Absolutely. Teamwork matters the most because it's the team who is going to work for the entire industry. So the boss and the leader will be expecting a teamwork. So almost every engineering project today is completed in teams. So learning how to cooperate, how to share ideas with each other, it is very, very important. So these skills are useful not only during college, but throughout our careers. So throughout the career, these are something we need to implement in our learning. And what are the more skills we're looking for an engineers? So apart from these, there are three more important skills I would say. So the first is leadership. So working with the team is important. But once when you become a leader, you need to know how to manage your teammate. So the leadership doesn't always mean leading a big team. It means taking initiative in a classroom activity or a student who helps in developing the leadership qualities. So we have to be a part of any leadership. The second is technical skills. students should learn industry relevant tools, be it Python or GenAI, AutoCAD, MATLAB, Agentic AI, or any software related of their branch is very, very important. So finally, we have a continuous learn. So technology keeps changing very quickly. So engineers should always be ready to learn new tools, do lots of certifications, do lots of hackathons, and know about the emerging technologies. So learning should never stop after completing a. Okay, now the important question is, how can a second year student start developing these skills? The answer is very simple. Taking a small but a consistent steps is what matters. A student can join engineering clubs, he can attend workshops, he can participate in hackathons, he can complete the online courses through platforms like Coursera, LinkedIn, Analytics with their LinkedIn Learning, a lot of things. The most Another most important thing is they should also look for internships and real projects where they can apply their classroom knowledge. So the most importantly, they should manage their time properly by balancing academics and skill development. Okay, these also plays a major role. And let's quickly summarize what is today's discussions. So academic marks are definitely important. There's no point in saying no, but they're not enough by themselves. Like today, employers expect a combination of technical knowledge and the professional skills like communication, teamwork, leadership, and problem solving. So I would like to conclude by telling, please kindly develop all these skills which are required for your upcoming job opportunities. Thank you.